Hey guys, welcome back. This literally arrived, so I thought I would do the unboxing really quickly, or as quick as I can. So this is the Tonic craft kit for April. Yeah, for April, I believe. So let's go in. And it's called the Sassy Shell Bag. How pretty is that? And as always, you get like a little, it's almost like a little booklet that you can keep with everything, to show you what's in the kit, and then also in case you want to buy products later on once you've used them, you know what they are. So let me just grab these out of here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that as well. Get the box out the way. So we have our big bag of fun, which I will do it at the end because I quite like that one. That's always exciting for me. And then we have paper, and every third one you get a little craft binder, which these, each month you'll get this with the stamps and dies and your little sticker in that, which we'll go through in a minute. But they also send a little binder that you can then keep these all in. Now I keep mine separate and I do things in a different way, but I did wonder whether to use this little binder for stencils or, you know, something like that. Might be able to use the binders for something else, but I thought that was a really clever idea, so we'll get to that in a minute. So let's start with the paper. Oh. Comes in this lovely folder, which is actually what I keep them in, and I put my sticker on here so I remember what those papers relate to. Some people will put it on their stamps and dies pockets, which is a good idea if you're storing them in the binders or in another way, but because I store mine on a magnetic sheet that I make, or like a board, I just label the pocket that it goes into anyway. So I've done videos on that, but I can always show you guys again. So let's see what we have here, and you have to bear with me again because I have to figure out which one's which. Right, so we have first of all we have the Turquoise Lake glitter cardstock. Whoa, that is stunning. And again, no fallout from the glitter. Always a bonus for me because I hate glitter that goes everywhere. Then we have a Speciality cardstock, which is Lilac Waves, and I think you can see it on camera. It's got like this wavy sort of pattern in it. Now the camera isn't doing it justice because in reality it looks like it's moving, so I don't think the camera is going to pick that up, but honestly it is so cool. It looks like waves. It's just mesmerizing. Right, and then we have some classic cardstocks, and just pop them the right way around because there is a textured side and a non-textured side. Oh, I could have just done that. Right, so start with these two. There's two sheets of the cream, just called cream cardstock, and this is, like I say, it's got a texture on the one side and then it's smooth on the other side, so you could use it either way or do some very cool techniques with that just because of the texture. Then let's see if I can get this right. I want to say, let's do the blues. I want to say teal blue and ocean blue for the two blues that are in this. So again, classic card, so it's that texture. And I think these are 216 GSM, I believe. And then we have two purples. So we have a, I want to say Amethyst and Mauve. Not sure which way around it goes, but yeah, they're both really lovely purples, and all these colours look fantastic together. So that's the cardstock. Let me just pop this off to one side. And then we have the little folder that your stamps and dies come in. So this is the little sticker. So like I say, I'll stick it to the front of the paper pack. Then I'll remember what those papers were for. And I'll probably, the way I store my stamps and dies, I keep this then with the stamp set. I mean the die set, sorry. The stamps I do, again, I store them separately, but so the stamps, you can't see that. Let's use our binder. The stamps are this beautiful, huge shell that you can decorate. It almost looks like a what do you call it, a stained glass window. You could do something like that. You could do this on stays onto some acetate. That could look pretty cool. And then there's these extra pieces, which all, there's some sentiments and some little shells and a starfish, but these pieces here all coordinate with the die set as well, which I'll show you in a second. So the die set, there's 2 parts to it and instructions, which is always really good. So one part of it has the main bag piece that you'll cut out twice to create the bag itself. Then there's this inlay piece, so you could inlay that into the bag and have almost like a see-through kind of bag. Plus there's these decorative bits that you can then add to these side panels here. There's a little seashell and the starfish again, and this little decorative shell here, which coordinate with this little tag that is down here. These are the side panels that you could cut out. There's one that's got like a stitching detail, and then one that's just a solid piece. And then these will fit inside to create either a solid and then or a decorative, or you can combine the two. So you could cut one out in one color, cut a second piece, and then inlay the decorative piece, and then like layer them. So you get this two-tone thing. And then there's this outer shell, like plain shape, if you like, that it'll cut out. So you could cut that out, inlay this piece, and then cut another solid piece of cardstock and lay this decorative piece over the solid one and then onto your bag. Right, lots of different things you can do with these. There's some sentiments here that you can then put into this little tag, which is very cute. And then these sort of half moon shaped things, they've also got sentiments on them, and they will fit, if I just grab this one, they will fit in this section of this piece. So you could then have that decorative sentiment in there as well. It'll make more sense when we start doing them, but it's just to give you an idea. And then the sentiments say, your sense. Oh, my cat's gonna say hello. Hi, Gizmo. Let's see if it tells me what the sentiments say. I don't think it does. I think one says, just for you, special shell day, and hello sunshine, and then I think this one says you're fantastic or something. So it's got that sort of punniness. Gizmo, this is not good, dude. Anyway, so those are the dies. So for this stamp, come on, come on, off you go. So for this stamp set, so I showed you the stamp set with these pieces. So this piece here, you will be able to cut the outline of using this shape here. This, again, you've got the decorative or the simple outline. You can do that too. You can stamp and then cut them out as solid images. And then these two pieces here are what decorate the top, I believe. They decorate the top of the, no, where did those go? Let me have a look. No, can't remember. But these will help to decorate another part. It might be the bottom here that you could, once you've die cut this portion out here, you could decorate it there. I'm not sure where that goes. I will let you know. I will let you know once I get there. So that's the stamps and dies, so lots and lots to do with that. So now we're on to the bag of fun. This is a longer video, sorry. So let's just get all of it out of there. So there was a choice, not a choice, but you would get one or the other, of either the hybrid inks in Dream in Colour, this has got stuck in here, Dream in Colour or Tropical Fruits, and we have Tropical Fruits. So a lovely pink, yellow and green, so very tropical, but very lovely to go with the stamps. I couldn't think of the word. And you could, I think you could probably, I don't know if you could watercolour with these. No, maybe not. They're hybrid inks, so perhaps not. But so there's Panama Rose, Rubber Duck and Lime Burst. So nice tropical, fun, summery kind of colours. So that's very cool. So that's the one I got there. And then for the ribbon, you either got a 3 or a 9mm white, ivory white. And this is the 3mm. So it's this sort of skinny one. I don't know if you're going to see it there. It's about that depth there. So that's very nice because you can also colour those with your inks. So that's always good fun. And then you get a Nuvo. This is a Smooth Precision glue pen. I've never used this one before, so this will be nice to try. So that's always handy. And then you have, we have the, I've never used this shimmer sprays before, but this I believe is a full-size bottle. And this is the cream gold, and oh my hat, can you see it there? Sorry, I've got too excited there. Let's see if I can find a, I don't know if it's going to do it justice, but oh, it literally just rolls around like creaminess. Oh, lovely. And it's got a ball in it like most shimmer sprays or sprays, so you have to really shake it up, but that is so cool. We will so love that. And then we get a full-size drops, and this one is a crystal drop in Morning Dew. So this is a dries clear one. Looks white in the bottle, but it'll dry clear. So it'll look almost like little bubbles. If you're thinking summer, seaside, I'm thinking bubbles for like underwater scenes, that kind of thing, or dewdrops on flowers as it is. So, and it'll pick up the colour underneath. So that's it, guys. I hope this was good. Yeah, I will be back soon with some craftiness to show you how all this stuff goes together. I don't know whether I'm going to make a bag yet. There are some fantastic videos already out there showing you how to put the bag together, but I might try and do something a little different. I've also seen someone make a memory book using this, which is actually what I thought of when I saw the launch of it. That was one of the things I thought of that you could do with this, and I actually watched somebody do that, so that was, you know, brilliant. So yeah, I will check back with you soon and use this plethora of goodies to make some fun stuff. So until next time, guys, bye for now.